guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some tutorials. I'm going to show you a few things, how to change your cursor, do stuff with your lock screen, do some cool things with your keys, and at the end I'm going to show you something pretty cool. So first, I'm just going to show you how to change your cursor. So just go into your start menu, type in settings. In settings, just go cursor. It's good. Change mouse pointer size. So what you can do with this, you can make it small and big. It's actually very cool. Trust me, when it's big, it is big. Okay, or you can leave it small. I like it pretty big. What you can do, you can have it white, black, inverted, which I think is pretty cool. Or you can have it any color you wish and pick a custom color if you would like. Also, with your text cursor, you can change the color with that, or pick a custom. If anyone doesn't know what a text cursor is, I'll show you on a Word document. So when you go to type something, it'll be much easier. It has the lines there, so don't forget where you are in an essay or whatever you're doing. So that's pretty cool. Okay, next I'm going to show you something you can do with your lock screen. So with this, it's a bit hard, but most people, what they'll do, they'll go background in settings, they'll type it up, or they'll go image settings. Oh yes, this will work. And on a school laptop, you can't do it. And then they give up. But what you can do, so you see how this is white? This, you can change these, boom, it's red. And then if I go out, and then if I go like this, it should be like that. And you can also go lock screen, and you can change your opening screen to whatever you want. Go browse, you can get anything from Google in your downloads, you can get anything from your camera roll. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Next, I'm going to show you guys something cool you can do with your keys. So, what we're going to do here, we're going to use Google. And what you're going to do, just type up Mech Vibes. Just like that. And you're going to go, not the first one, you're going to go download. You're going to go all releases. And I already have this, so I'm just going to get out of Google. And it might take a bit to download. Once it'll come up with this little thing here. Don't press it, wait for it to, there'll be a circle going around it. Once that circle's finished, click on it, and it should take you into files. What you're going to do in files, go into downloads, it should be the first one there, just drag it out into your home screen. And once it's there, it should look something like this. You click on that, and there's a few things here, just click on one of them. Okay guys, can you hear my keys? A little bit. Well, let's go like this. It's a cool sound you can do if you put it full volume. It's actually very fun just to do in class or whatever you're doing. Show your friends. It's actually pretty fun. One last thing you can do that I'm going to show you today. It's actually very cool, and I think it'd be good if like you're starting a YouTube channel or whatever you're doing. And it's called Panzoid. So what you're going to do, you go into Google, just type up Panzoid, just like that. Enter. Yep, go into Panzoid. And what you can do with this, it's a video editor. You can do backgrounds. So if you go into this, opening clipmaker, and it shows you all of these things. You can make your own. You can edit someone else's. It's very cool how they do it. And there's a lot of different ones you can do. yeah, so if you go into here, I'll just show you one random one, and here's this one. There wasn't a background for that one, but this one there should be. Yeah, so they're pretty cool. And there's one that I have that I actually used. And does this look familiar? So yeah, you can do a lot of cool things with that. Yeah. And also, if you wanted to see how I got that game I was playing in my last video, just go into Google, type up 2D Rocket League. And what you can do, you can go, it's not the first one, it's actually one, it's, sorry. It is 2D Alpha. So just click on that. Should come up with something like this. And you can either just play it on Google, but with two player, with like one's WSD and one's control and up arrows. And if you accidentally press Control W, it gets you out of Google. So what you can do, just download that. Same as the other one, go into download, should be the first one. Drag it out. Should be a folder like this. Come up with this, Rocket League 2D, and it is just here like that. So that's pretty cool, and it's a cool game just to play. I really like it. So yeah. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. Subscribe if you're new, like the video please, and comment on what else I should do. Thank you guys for sticking around, and see you next time.
Raindrop, drip, drop